say this word right here.
Oh man, Qatar?
Pretty close. That's how we would want to say it in English, but it goes like poor. Okay. Sommar. First question is like, do you know where like Ikea originates from?
Sweden. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, do you know anything like about Sweden?
I know
You
a little bit. I know some YouTubers that are from Sweden. There's a lot of like celebrities from Sweden, like on YouTube and Twitch and stuff.
Oh, and then like, do you know any like stereotypes that people say of these Swedes, or you can even do Scandinavians in general? People kind of push them all together and they're like, oh, they're the same.
Yeah, I guess like they're very pale. That's what they say. Usually like
Can't debate that
blonde,
one.
usually
Okay.
tall.
Yes.
Like just physical stuff.
Yeah, so on average, yeah, I would say they're kind of tall, they're kind of pale, they're kind of blonde. But like you still get a little bit more diversity in Sweden, especially in recent times. So it's a changing landscape. Yeah. Since this is like for our language class, one question we wanted to ask people is like, why do you think it's important to try to learn a new language?
Yeah. So I haven't learned a new language, but I think it's important because then you can connect with people more. Like speaking in their tongue, I think you can you share a lot more culture and things with them because of that. Yeah. So that's why.
Where is Ikea from?
Sweden.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, you're right. What do you know about Sweden?
They make good backpacks. If y'all are in.
Yeah.
You can take a boat overnight to Finland and drink a lot on the boat because you can buy duty-free alcohol.
No taxes.
They have a subway system in Stockholm. I've been on it once. During my 4 hours there. The currency was weird.
It's called kroner.
Mm-hmm.
Crowns in English, yeah.
And they also have really good clothes like H&M, Weekday, and Monkey.
You know a lot about Sweden. Do you know of any stereotypes about Swedes?
So sorry.
Just anything. Can be as offensive as you want.
Maybe not Swede specific, but like Scandinavians
Okay, that's fine.
are a weird. They're really like, I don't know.
Like socially, like
they don't understand Americans, and they're very progressive, and they like to like bike and pack their own lunches, and very sustainable.
very blonde.
Very blonde, very tall. A little bit of like Scandinavian pride, like we're really great.
Yeah, like
Look at us. We're
Mhm.
Swedish. We have social democracy.
In your face.
Yeah.
So, why do you think it's important to try to learn another language? You're in Sweden.
Yeah, I'm trilingual, and so it's important. It helps open your thinking to other ways of thinking. It's not just about other things, but language is how people think about things.